Hello everyone, welcome Saving Castles community. This is a little bit of a behind the scenes for all of you. We are just outside of Toulouse in the beautiful French countryside, taking a look at a beautiful chateau that is our home base for the next few weeks. It is a chateau that has its origins that seem to go all the way back to almost 1,000 years ago, so it has a long history. Let's take a look at some of the features. You'll notice along the front here we have actually a moat, and the moat goes 360 degrees around the chateau. So this is one of those rare chateaus that has a complete moat. We're going to be interviewing the owner of the chateau. The chateau has been in the same family for over 300 years. And we'll be talking a little bit about the restoration project, but for now, just make note of that it is quite rare to have it still complete, intact, and not having been filled in. There used to be at one time a drawbridge. In fact, you'll see the two recessed, elongated openings on the side of the window that used to hold the wooden mechanism, in fact, that would lower and raise the drawbridge from inside the gatehouse.